Hey y'all, welcome to Happy Acres Country Designs. And yes, I'm in a different place today. I'm in the motorhome, but I had to come out here and take care of some things. But let's get on into today's video. We will be working in the kitchen, so let's go. Okay, y'all, we are finally getting rid of the old peel and stick tile that was in the kitchen. It was a mess, and it's still a mess, but we're working on getting all of this removed from the floor, of course. Clean the floor, and then we'll be putting new flooring down. Okay, y'all. Here we are in the kitchen again. And my husband is working really, really hard. Okay, y'all, we are back in the kitchen. As you can see, look at this peel and stick tile, which was 3 layers. 3 layers of this peel and stick tile. Wow, what a mess. What a mess. But hey, we're getting it done. We are getting it done, and I'm so glad. And once we get the floor all cleaned up, get all this removed and get the floor cleaned up, we will be putting in some new flooring. Okay, y'all, right here you can see in this little area right here, where the plumbing is. That is where the old sink was. And the reason there is no peel and stick tile there is because we had to rip up all of this floor right here and replace it with new subfloor. But the rest of the floor, other than being messy right now, the rest of the kitchen floor looks good. So let's get back to work. Okay, y'all, here is the progress so far with the floor. We've pretty much got all that peel and stick tile removed. Some of it wasn't really easy, but we managed. And this side of the floor here doesn't have a whole lot of that glue stuff. Okay, y'all, right here is the backing off of the peel and stick tile. So we gotta work on getting that removed, but all in all, it's coming along. But yes, it's a lot of work, but it's worth it in the end. Okay, y'all, as you can see, the old sink is officially gone. The old sink is sitting right here in the carport, ready to go to the landfill. Praise the Lord that the rest of this subfloor here was not as bad as over here where the old sink was. We had to replace from this wall over to the other wall over there. We had to tear out the old floor and put some new subfloor in. Okay, y'all, we are ready to start putting the flooring down. Two millimeters thickness for improved stability and sound dampening, so that's good. 30-year residential warranty, adhesive edges, dual film barrier for improved moisture performance over subfloor. So this is the type of underlayment that we will be using for the kitchen floor. Alright, here we go, putting the underlayment down, which is a good thing. Helps to keep out moisture, and it's a good sound barrier. Also is a good insulator to keep everything nice and toasty. And that is a really, really good idea. Okay, y'all, here is the progress so far. It's looking good. Not much more to go as far as the flooring, and that's a good thing. We will be so glad when this project is finished from beginning to end. As you know, with construction or remodeling, you've always got things in the way. And right here we have things in the way. Okay, y'all. Here is what we have with the kitchen makeover thus far. Praise the Lord, we finally got the flooring put down. And we have our kitchen cabinet installed. I still have to do some painting on it. Okay, y'all, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. And as always, we appreciate you so much stopping by and viewing our channel, watching our videos. We can't do this without you. Let's grow together. And remember, we don't always have to throw everything away. Until next video. Bye-bye.